We recently had elections in Chicago,
and
you may have some extra flyers around.
so we're going to take some of these flowers and we're going to make them into squares. This would be approximately an 8-inch square. And then we're going to fold into several triangles. We're going to fold over the tops of the triangles, and then we're going to fold them down. So we do that to all 4 sides. So this is what it should look like, and then we're going to actually open it all back up again and flip it inside out. Then we tuck them in, triangles, little triangles inside the flower, and you'll have a little flower. So we need to make about 40 of these. So we're going to glue them together. There's 9 in the bottom base, there's 5 in the second layer, and 1 on the top. Then we're going to flip over the bottom, pour some glue on it, and stick the other half right on top. If you have other mail around like white envelopes, you can cut off the corners of those and make little white squares, and you can make a second globe so that you'd have a satellite moon orbiting your Death Star. Hey, next video we're going to go to a place where they make the guacamole right next to your table.